Finally found 2 plates of oysters.
Make tacos, not walls.
Man, I'm not gonna say nothing. Y'all see this stuff? If you watched our last video, you saw us walking down the famous Malecón boardwalk here in Puerto Vallarta. While we were walking, we decided to stop by a local spot to grab some homemade ice cream. And honestly, you won't believe how real this tastes. Plus, right after this, we end up spotting wild crocodiles and snakes right next to the beach. Let's jump into it. So this is some of the homemade ice cream they got. We'll just...
I was trying to get this.
Oh. Wow, you could taste the...
Real strawberry sitting in there.
Man, I don't think I've ever had real ice cream in my life. I don't think I've ever had real ice cream in my life. This tastes... Oh my God. Like I could taste the... Is there strawberries in it?
Yeah.
Like it's real, it's real strawberries in it, man. Let me dip down into the mango. Dip down into the mango a little bit. I tell you. So, we're gonna try. I'm gonna try the mango, real mango. Oh my God. I know y'all think, y'all like, he always like, man, I'm telling you.
50 pesos.
It's 50 pesos. It's about $3. Not today. But, oh my God, the authenticness of that is unbelievable. Unbelievable, man. I gotta take one more. This is mango and strawberry. Just one more.
A little bit more mango.
The freshness of that is unbelievable. Oh, it's crocodiles down there.
Oh, that's what's down there?
That's what, yeah, he right there.
No, I
You don't see him?
No.
Right by the lane?
Oh, shoot.
See the crocodile down there?
Oh, wow. Look at him. I got my phone to do next. I'm going to have to send it to me. Oh, look at him right there, man. Oh, no, that's right. That's grass. Never mind.
Oh, there's a dude down there.
Am I in down there?
You know? And the mountains, man. Look at the beautiful mountains in the background. I'm telling you, that's the thing I love about PV. Is you get the combination of the beach and then you get the great scenery, man, in the background. And that's beautiful, man. That's gorgeous. It definitely don't get much better than this. It's gorgeous. Oh, that's why they got him.
Yeah, that's what happens.
Oh yeah, he wasn't supposed to be there. I heard the police blow the whistle and they were blowing it at this guy that was trying to get in the water. There's crocodiles down here. And they don't want no problems. So they grabbing his stuff and they're telling him that he got to go. So, wow, interesting, man. Oh, look at the thing. It's a snake. You see his tail. I think that's a copperhead. You could barely see it. If you look at the top, you can see his tail right there. See? Yeah, he was up there.
Yeah. Yeah, he was good size.
Se escondió.
Yeah, he gone. See, this is like a resort.
Yeah.
This is all inclusive. You know, this is different.
Yeah, this kind I would
Because you still got access to this.
you could just walk out.
You can have best of both worlds.
Yeah. Yeah, everything cable TV. Yeah. I would do that too. Yeah, I would like that one.
Yeah. I don't want the one that's way in the hole
It's just that.
and it's just that.
I mean, it's cool.
It's cool. But like once you know everything else that you can see, you don't miss it until you know. Not today. That looked good though.
Try it. If you don't like it, no pay.
They look good.
I'm gonna get some.
Oh, you got to. You got to.
Get a little make this little break.
Yeah. I ain't gonna tell everybody no. It's just day one though. You gotta see what's out there first. Yeah. Saw a place.
There.
Oh wow, he's going in the thing.
Oh, yeah.
It's crazy. Show you how slippery they could be.
Look at that shit.
You see it? Yeah.
Trump.
Okay.
Make tacos, not walls.
Man, I'm not gonna say nothing. Y'all see this stuff? Shut up and fish. But we are going to find some oysters, man. 49s, baby.
Welcome, Shopping today.
Yeah, food. Yeah.
I feel like we're in the jungle. Is this the place, Oscars, or no?
Yeah, this is it, but I don't know if this is supposed to be it. But we'll see.
No, it's not called Oscars. We're going to Cachuras.
Oh, okay.
Well, that's what you said. But,
Hola.
hola.
What does this say? Oh, so we still walk? Okay.
So we gotta go
Back up. Oh, wow. We definitely went the wrong way. Okay, but yeah, man, this is nice. It definitely was.
Now we gotta walk over the bridge.
Nice little walk, man. We getting it in. Crocodile. Look out for the crocodile. Cause he can come. Look, he can come right up here.
No, we
Look.
can't.
Look.
The water is all the way down there.
Man, look, Madison. Walk over here. He can slide right through there.
No, yeah, he can't. You think that?
Uh-huh.
He can't. Why can we walk up?
Okay. You will see. He could be up here. For sure.
You think so?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, he could be.
Look at this.
Yeah,
He can walk straight up that hill.
Hey, look, come right here. There's a brick right there.
Oh, you don't think he can get up that?
No. If he can, he's super agile.
I heard they're athletic. Y'all heard crocodiles are athletic? I have. Drop in the comments. Look at this dude parasailing.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man. So we chased the oyster man. Finally found 2 plates of oysters for $300. You could probably dab some off, but it's super hot. Fresh oysters, man, straight out the ocean. 300 for 2 plates, basically 20 oysters for 300 pesos. Not bad. It's about $17 for 20 oysters. Can't get that price in the States. Like, comment, subscribe, man. What do you guys think, man? What they look like for you? Go ahead, put one down, Marshall.
I did.
Oh, you did? Okay. Okay, go ahead, take a shot, Maddie. We're gonna see what Maddie feeling about these oysters, man. I don't think she ever eat raw oysters. I think it caught.
This is my first time.
I think it kind of caught her. It's straight though.
It's really good.
It's good.
Really good.
It's super good. Super fresh. Like it's straight out of the ocean. Like, oh, she injured herself, man. She's a rookie at this. But like, comment, subscribe, man. We about to eat these oysters. We done let that man put so much hot sauce on it.
Yeah.
But it's super good, man. All right, so we about to go back in our spot. So tell me what you guys think in the comments, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.